Streaky windows aren't a technique problem. They're usually a product problem. I tested 7 car window cleaners from Amazon on the same glass to find out which ones actually leave zero streak. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Invisible Glass Premium Aerosol Glass Cleaner Spray. This is a spray cleaner designed specifically for automotive glass surfaces. The ammonia-free formula works on windshields, side windows, and mirrors without streaking. It's tint-safe and leaves no haze or residue behind after application. The 3-pack gives you multiple bottles for regular use and maintenance. The weakness is the aerosol format isn't the most economical for heavy use. Still, the convenient spray application appeals to most car owners. For those wanting reliable spray cleaning, Invisible Glass is a trusted choice. At number 2, we have the Seacrest Glass Cleaner with foaming spray. This product uses a clinging foam formula to break down soils and debris. The foam stays on vertical surfaces without dripping or running during application. The denatured alcohol formula dries quickly with no ammonia-harsh chemicals. It requires no rinsing and delivers a pleasant scent after drying. One limitation is the foam approach may seem less precise than liquid sprays. Still, the streakless results justify the unique formula. For those wanting guaranteed clarity, Sprayway is a proven choice. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys HydroView Ceramic Glass Cleaner and Coating. This is a 2-in-1 cleaner and ceramic coating for car windows. It combines powerful cleaning with SiO2, ceramic technology for hydrophobic protection. The formula repels water and embedded dirt after cleaning. It removes stubborn road film, fingerprints, and grime in seconds. The drawback is the ceramic coating adds cost compared to basic cleaners. Still, the water-repelling benefit provides practical advantages in rain. For owners wanting protection plus cleaning, Chemical Guys is a premium choice. At number 4, we have the Invisible Glass 3-piece Auto Glass Cleaning Kit. This complete kit includes premium spray, wipes, and a microfiber towel. The combination covers different cleaning situations, from quick touch-ups to full details. All components deliver streak-free results on automotive glass and mirrors. The microfiber towel is machine washable and reusable for lasting value. The limitation is you're getting multiple items when you may only need spray. Still, the complete solution appeals to thorough car enthusiasts. For comprehensive cleaning, Invisible Glass Kit is a complete choice. At number 5, we have the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Windshield Cleaner. This tool-focused option includes an extendable 18-inch handle with quick-change microfiber bonnets. The reusable, washable cloth attachments reduce ongoing costs over time. Premium cleaner spray is included with a tool set. The extended handle reaches top sections and difficult angles easily. One drawback is you're investing in specialized equipment versus simple spray. Still, the convenience for hard-to-reach areas makes it practical. For those with difficult angles to clean, Invisible Glass Tool is a specialized choice. Coming up next, we have the Chemical Guys Glass Cleaner Streak Free Window Spray. This professional-grade formula is ammonia-free and safe on tinted windows. The 2-pack provides value for regular detailing or multiple vehicles. It works on windows, mirrors, and screens without harsh chemicals. The streak-free technology removes dirt, smudges, and smoke film immediately. The limitation is you're committing to a 2-pack when you might want variety. Still, the professional formula justifies bulk purchase. For dedicated enthusiasts, Chemical Guys Spray is a value choice. The last one on our list is the Windex Automotive Car Window and Glass Cleaner. This automotive-specific version of the trusted Windex formula works on car glass. It's free of ammonia, bleach, and harsh dyes for vehicle safety. The formula cleans windows, mirrors, and interior electronics without damage. Results are shiny and streak-free with minimal effort. The weakness is limited protective benefits compared to ceramic options. Still, the proven reliability and affordability make it accessible. For budget-conscious owners, Windex is a practical choice. That covers our selection of the best streak-free car window cleaners available right now. Choose based on whether you prefer spray, wipes, or tool-based solution.